Hello students, in this video I explain important problems in trigonometry chapter. First one, log of tan 1 degree plus log of tan 2 degree plus log of tan 3 degree, so on, log of tan of 89 degree. So now here we have the data, log of tan 1 degree, I can take common, see otherwise, plus log of tan 2 degree plus so on, plus log tan of 89 degree is equals to, so now here this result is equals to, here log a plus log b plus log c plus so on log n form. This result can be written as log of tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into so on tan 89 degree. Next step is equals to log of tan of 1 degree here up to tan of 89 degree. This now here I write this result tan of 1 degree into tan of 89 degree. Next to tan 2 degree into tan of 88 degree. So on tan of 44 degree into tan of 46 degree, and one more term tan of 45 degree. Last result tan of 45 degree. See now here, observe here, log of tan 1 degree into tan of 89 degree can be written as cot of 1 degree. Cot of 1 degree. Next here, tan of 2 degree into cot of 2 degree. See 90 minus 2, here we get cot of 2 degree first quadrant, so on. Tan of 44 degree into cot of 44 degree into tan of 45 degree value is 1. Next, close bracket, is equals to log of tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree. Tan by cot 1 degree is cancelled, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Here we get log 1. See, log 1 is equals to 0. Option B is correct. See, here we have one more result. Here we have exponential to the power log of tan 1 degree base 10, log tan 2 degree base 10, so on to log tan of 89 degree base 10 is, here we have options is 0, e, 1 by e, 1. Now here first simplify the result, log 10, same as it is the previous result. Now here log 10, here we get log 10 of this result, log 1 is 0. See now here we have the result, e to the power of this result. Now here general equation is e to the power log of 1 base 10 is equals to e to the power log 1 is 0, e to the power 0 is equals to 1. Option D is correct. Same procedure as it is here, we consider log a plus log b plus log c, so on log n form, log of a into b into c, so on to n result form. See this, we split the result form, we write the result tan 1 into cot, tan by cot is 1, here 1 into 1 into 1, so on log 1. See general expression, but here we have e to the power result, e to the power log 1 base 10, e to the log 1 is 0, e to the power 0 is 1. Option D is correct. Here we have next example, a is equal to 60 degree, b is 2, c is 4, then value of a is, here we have options. Here we have to check the result, which result is correct. Now here using this data, a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos of a. Here we have a is 60 degree. See, a square is equals to b square means 2 square is 4 plus 4 square is 16 minus 2 into b into c result. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16 cos of 60 degree is equals to 20 minus 16 cos of 60 degree is 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. 20 minus 8 is equals to 12 is equals to a square. A square is equals to 12. Here we have to find the value of a. A is equals to root of 12. 12 can run as 4 into 3 is equals to 2 into root 3. 2 root 3. Option B is correct. The value of A is 2 root 3. So next one, the value of 1 minus tan square 15 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 15 degree. We have the formula cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now here we have in the place of theta is 15 degree. Now here this result can be as cos 2 into 15 degree. Cos 30 degree is equals to 1 minus tan square 15 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 15 degree. So now here cos of 30 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So 1 minus tan square 15 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 15 degree is equals to root 3 divided by 2. Option C is correct. See here we have cos of 1 degree into cos of 2 degree, so on cos of 3 degree, so on to cos of 179 degree. See here we have the result, in between the result, cos of 1 degree, cos of 2 degree, cos of 3 degree, so on to cos of 90 degree, into so on to cos of 179 degree. See here cos of 90 degree is 0. Cos of 90 degree is 0. 0 into any term becomes product of all the results is equals to 0. Option B is correct. See here we have which of the following is correct. See here the difference between one degree and a radian form. We have, see 1 is equals to 1 radian, or 1 radian is equals to 180 divided by pi, 180 divided by pi degrees, or 57 degree 30 minutes approximately 57 degree 30 minutes. Therefore sine of 1 is equals to sine of 57 degree 30 minutes. This implies, or therefore sine 1 degree is less than sine 1. Sine 1 degree is less than sine 1. Option B is correct. See the minimum value of, we have general expression, the minimum value of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c is c minus root of a square minus b square. See here we have there is an expression c minus a square plus b square. C minus a square, a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c is equals to c minus root of a square plus b square. Now here we have result c is equals to 8 minus root of a square, 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. C is equals to 8 minus root of 25 is equals to 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. The minimum value of 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 8 is 3. Option D is correct. Next here we have example, the value of sine of 45 degree, sine of 45 plus theta minus cos of 45 minus theta. See here we have the result, sine of a plus b minus cos of a minus b formula. Sine of a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b form. See sine a cos b, we sine a, see here 45 degrees, here we get 1 by root 2 sine a is 45 degrees 1 by root 2 into cos of theta plus 1 by root 2 into sine theta. Sine theta minus 1 by root 2, here write in bracket, that is cos of 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos theta plus into minus 1 by root 2 into sine theta. See now here this result is equals to 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 cos theta gets cancelled. 1 by root 2 sine theta minus 1 by root 2 sine theta gets cancelled is equals to 0. Option D is correct. See now here we have the formula sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. minus of, here we have cos of A minus B formula, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, but now here using minus term, plus into minus minus, here again plus into minus minus, say positive and negative results are cancelled, we get 0. Option D is correct. So here we have this tan A is 1 by 2, tan B is 1 by 3, then tan of 2A plus B. See here, tan of A plus B formula, 2A plus B is tan A is 2A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan 2A into tan B. So now here we have tan A and tan B, but now here we have the result is tan 2A. Now here we have to first find tan 2A value. Tan 2A is equals to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A is equals to 2 into tan A. Tan A is 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. 2 gets cancelled here. 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 1 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 4 is equals to 4 by 3, value of tan 2A. Now here tan 2A plus B is equals to tan of 2A value is 4 by 3, tan B value is 1 by 3. Now substitute this result. Whole divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 3 is equals to, now here numerator is 3 is LCM, 3 of 4 plus 1 is 5, whole divided by 3 into 3 9, 9 minus 4. So is equals to 5 by 3 into 9 divided by 9 minus 4 is 5. See 5 gets cancelled, 3 1s are, 3 3s are, is equals to 3. Option C is correct. So here we have the result, sin theta plus cos theta is 1. Here we have sin theta plus cos theta is equals to 1. Now here squaring on both sides. See here we have to square on both sides. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equals to 1. A plus B whole square formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equals to 1 square is 1. Next to sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta is equals to 1. Sin 2 theta is equals to 1. Take this result to right hand side, we get minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, is equals to 0. Sin 2 theta is equals to 0. Required solution. Therefore, sin 2 theta is equals to 0. Option C is correct. Thank you students. Continue next video.